And I'm just playing a devil's advocate here. It seems like they are performing the same experiments over last 50 years. I would imagine by now they should have known about us what they need to know. Why do you think they have been doing same experiments over and over again?
Well, I think they probably know everything they need to know about humans, but I think that this is a longitudinal sociological and genetic study. I believe, and not just believe, I've received information from hundreds of experiencers that these non-human entities, at least some groups of them, are very, very concerned about human behavior. Mm-hmm. They are concerned that we have developed technology that is far beyond our biological and emotional standing at this point, that we are still too primitive in order to have this technology, and that because of our emotional makeup, our greed, our penchant for being aggressive, for being warlike, for being uncaring about our planet and about other humans, except for those in our own group, or we might, in the end, destroy this planet through nuclear war. They say that they have been here monitoring mankind from the beginning and guiding us in our development. And they come back from time to time in order to do that. And if they see a problem, they try to move us ahead a little bit on an evolutionary scale, so that we will move ahead as a race and will eventually increase in our spirituality, in our acceptance and understanding of others, in being good stewards to our planet, so that we won't destroy ourselves. So we might be their experiment, and they certainly don't want to see their experiment destroyed. So I think that the reason they take us over and over again generationally is to study the work that they have done. They seem to be doing this incrementally, and I think that they are attempting to move us along. And abductees have certain characteristics that seem to be desirable. And this is all part of these comprehensive studies that I've taken part in, and as a researcher. Abductees are empathic. 100% of the abductees in this past study that I did are empathic. They feel other people's emotions. They are concerned about the environment. They are concerned about how their behavior impacts others. If we are all concerned about this, then we're not going to be able to continue on this path of negative behavioral characteristics that humans tend to have. And I think that that's a major part of their study. And I think that they're being successful with some, but maybe the reason that thousands of people are coming forward and saying, I've had these experiences as well, is because they are now part of this project. Maybe it's urgent. Maybe these ETs are attempting to increase this consciousness, this spirituality among all humans, and they've reached a critical point where they're highly concerned.